These are the Motorola Verveones ME earphones, and I've had these for over 6 years. There's a video that I made on this channel about 6 years ago about me buying them from Argos and reviewing them. I will link it somewhere in the description, but they have aged like milk. They have yellowed. They came pure white and now they've change color basically. So if you look here on this bottom bit for charging, you can see there has been some corrosion. There we go. It has corroded, so you see a bit of green in those dots where it charges, which isn't the best. The case and the earphones were the exact same color, so you can clearly see how the plastic has lost its color. The other one, a bit less corrosion, but it's fine, it works. Now, after 6 months of buying these earphones, one of them died and I stopped using it. So yeah, it works fine. Well, it used to work fine. You would click them in, and one of the best features about these was the way they closed. You can just twist them close, and there we go. Look at that twist. I like that, and even today, finding earphones that can do that, very, very difficult. Now, when it comes to if I recommend you buying these, I would say no. They're very heavy. So where the button is, it's heavy. So when you put them in your ear, they fall out. I used to use them for running and they didn't work that well. The audio is also not the best. This is like in the first few years of true wireless earphones. They cost about £80 back then. So now for the price of £30 you can buy some really good wireless earphones. They fit in just fine. This is micro USB charging, which is unfortunate. It does have an indicator light as well just above the micro USB charging port, but besides that, like, I like the way that it charged and the way it looked, the way it felt. But they died quickly. Well, the left channel died first, the right channel died second. So, and it wasn't like I used them in water, it was just for jogging. Maybe the sweat probably destroyed them, but still, I don't recommend buying these because they really changed. The color especially, I think white is a really bad color to buy for earphones, especially after 6 years. When I first got them, I liked them. Liked the feel, the audio was okay for the time, but today, I don't think these are the best you can get. There's far better earphones. And look at the corrosion. They literally corroded. There was no moisture in the case. It's just one day I came to charge them, they weren't working. And they're thick, they're big, and not beautiful, unfortunately. But what do you guys think? Have you guys ever had these before? I've had them, I've kept them, I used them. 6 months later, they died. But you know what? Let's leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yes, peace.